te tuna na paka moimitu. Ki ngāri ki mea rātou nei ruponi ngā wā katoa. Mā te māngi no hei tautika mai ai ni akini ai. Tēnei a host ko Tom Phillips, a pōtoro rehi te mo puku koe. Also a member of the Kaupapa Mahi Review team. I'm here to make it known to all the Māori, Pau and Māori who right across the motu and right across wherever the Māori who are, especially Australia as well. We'll let you know that the Kaupapa Mahi, or the Constitution of the Church, is up for review right now. We are receiving submissions, and the submissions will close on November the 30th. What we would like Māori to do is have a look at the Kaupapa Mahi, have a good look at the Kaupapa Mahi, and see what you think needs changing, if anything needs changing at all. The Kaupapa Mahi controls the Tumaki, the Hui Whakapūmau, Komiti Matua, right down to every other Komiti Paiti, Komiti Ahi, right throughout the country. All our pōtoros, all any part, so it's all contained within the Kaupapa Mahi. The majority of the Kaupapa Mahi can be looked at, can be altered, can be reviewed. You will need to have a look at the Kaupapa Mahi to see if it is current, to see if it makes sense for you now and all your tamariki and your mokopuna still to come. We are currently on the road. The review team, we've been to Wellington, we've been to Kaikohe where we met with the Taitokero, and we've been to Auckland. Those three areas have had good roll-ups, but if there was anything disappointing in those huis, it was just that most of the people hadn't read the Kaupapa Mahi. They came to hear us say something, whereas we were actually turning up to hear them, anybody, talk about it. Tauranga are aware now that we are coming, because I went to a wānanga there a couple of weeks ago, and so they know what to expect, and they have distributed copies of the Kaupapa Mahi throughout their rohe. They will actually have read the thing before we get there, and then we'll be able to accept submissions from them if they want to place any. Following them, in August the 24th and 25th, we will be in Taupo, or we'll be at Waitānui Marae. We're still planning what to do for the South Island, either in October or November, but that'll happen in due course. In November the 9th, we will be hui at Ratana on the 9th, that's the day after the 8th of course. And we will be meeting with the people from Ratana and anybody in the surrounding area to present their submissions to us. So these huis that we're making around the country are kanui ki te kanui meets, so that if you want to present, you can come and talk to the review panel. That's not the only way you can submit. You can submit your submissions. You can also mail them in written form to Box 59, care of the Tokopitu Review team, Box 59 Ratana Pā, and you can even send it by email to tokopitu@hotmail.com. And those are the two other ways you can make a presentation if you don't want to come now. So that's about all there is about this Kaupapa Mahi review. It's important. Like I said, the review team is not coming there to tell anybody what to do. We're only coming there to listen. After November the 30th, when the submissions close, the review team will get together and put together all the submissions that we've received and collate them, and then come up with a report for Hui Whakapūmau next year, 2014. The outcomes is totally dependent on the number of submissions we get, or how many we get. So we will work out from between November and Easter next year what our report will be. So So that's pretty much it. Kia ora.